Welcome to the Sun and Aurora forecast. Today, the Sun shows moderate activity with C-class flares. Active region 4000, 498 lies 13 degrees north and 73 degrees east of disk center. It covers 210 millionths of the solar disk and contains 3 sunspots. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4000, 492 lies 15 degrees north and 37 degrees west of disk center. It covers 180 millionths of the solar disk and contains 4 sunspots. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4000, 496 lies 5 degrees north and 16 degrees east of disk center. It covers 90 millionths of the solar disk and contains 11 sunspots. During the past day, it produced 1 C-class flare. Active region 4000, 495 lies 3 degrees south and 27 degrees west of disk center. It covers 60 millionths of the solar disk and contains 4 sunspots. It produced no flares during the past day. There are 5 active regions visible on the solar disk, containing a total of 30 individual sunspots. The estimated sunspot number is 80, with a radio flux of 146 solar flux units. GOES X-ray levels are currently at C1.3. The latest flare was a C5.1 flare. Over the past 24 hours, there have been 7 C-class flares, with a 90% chance of more C-class flares today. And here is the day's strongest flare, a C5.1 event, seen by NASA SDO across its ultraviolet channels. The solar wind is blowing at 362 kilometers per second, with a density of 3.02 protons per cubic centimeter. The interplanetary magnetic field BZ is at 3 nanoteslas. The current planetary K-index is 2.33, with a maximum of 3 over the past 24 hours. The forecast expects a peak K-index of 3.7 in the next 24 hours. Over the next 3 days, solar activity is expected to remain moderate, with a 90% chance of C-class flares each day. Geomagnetic activity will stay low, with no geomagnetic storms expected. NASA SDO/AIA shows the Sun in extreme ultraviolet, glowing coronal loops, prominences, the hot corona, and a watch for flares. NASA SDO/HMI captures the sunspot groups in visible light, and the magnetogram reveals the tangled magnetic polarity that drives them. ESA/NASA SOHO uses the LOSCO coronagraphs to blot out the bright disk, unveiling the streaming outer corona, the launch pad of coronal mass ejections. Tonight's Aurora forecast plays on a rotating night-side Earth. The real ovation probability oval glows over the map, and significant cities are marked with their aurora chance and local time for each UTC hour. In the north, the best chances stay around Fairbanks, central Scandinavia, Iceland, and northern Canada, near 61 degrees north geomagnetic latitude. The strongest overnight window falls around 12:15 UTC. Now, the same night over the southern hemisphere. In the south, Aurora should remain near the Antarctic coast and subantarctic islands, around 61 degrees south geomagnetic latitude. Current hemispheric power reads north 15 gigawatts and south 16 gigawatts. The ovation oval peaks near 14% in the north and 19% in the south. The Sun stands 1.015 astronomical units away today. Its light takes 8.4 minutes to reach us. Solar cycle 25 is declining from its maximum around August 2024. A total solar eclipse is coming soon. Follow for more details. That is all from the Sun today. Subscribe for your daily space weather briefing and for the weather on Mars.